Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and buy NVIDIA stocks on IG traders. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official IG website right here, right, IG.com if you have not already. So if you do not already have it opened up, go right there. If you're using it on your mobile phone, you can just download the application by going to the App Store, searching for IG, finding it and installing it. So once you've installed it and open it up, this is going to be the home page. From this main page, we can get started. Doesn't matter if you're using it on PC or mobile, the process is going to go the same. First thing you need to do is to go ahead and create an account if you do not already have one. If you have one, you can just go ahead and log in normally. So go ahead and create an account, and once you've logged in, we can get started. From this home page right here, you're going to have the search bar right here in the upper right screen. This is going to enable us to search for NVIDIA. Using this to search for NVIDIA, we can find NVIDIA stock page right here, the market shares. You can go to IG.com into the share section and take a look at NVIDIA Corp and how it is doing. From here, we can get started. As you can see, you have two options. You can either sell the stock or buy the stock, as well as take a look at how the charts are doing. So if you want, you can click to start trading now. This is going to take you to the application form. From where we can get started with submitting our personal details, creating an account if you do not already have one, and depositing money. And just like that, you can get started with selecting to buy your stocks, all using the IG website or the mobile application. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.